Hello, Jim Dine heart makers. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a stencil for your Jim Dine project. I need for you to find a piece of construction paper out of your construction paper pack. This is 9 by 12 inches. And I'd like for you to pull out a color that you don't particularly think you're going to use a lot of. I pulled out brown. Since I'm just using it to make a tracer, that means I'm going to fold it and cut it and not get a lot of use out of this piece of paper. So brown's okay. Pause right here to go find your paper and then let's begin. First, you're going to take your piece of paper and fold it in half. So I like to fold it in half like a book first. It's kind of hard for me to do this, so I turn it. Kiss the corners. Make sure they're right lined up together as close as you can get. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then crease it. Okay. Now, I would like for you to please fold it in half again. There we go. Unfold your paper and cut your paper on the lines. Now you can actually stop once you have 3 pieces of paper. You only need one of the small ones. Use the other one as an extra in case you don't like the first time that you make a heart out of this one. Use this later for a scrap or if you really need another one after your second attempt. Okay, put this paper in front of you going up and down. This is called portrait. Sideways is landscape. Up and down is portrait. Fold your paper in half in the portrait direction so it makes a really tall, skinny building. You're going to want to find a pencil for the next step. I'm going to use a Sharpie so you can really see what's happening. Okay. We want to draw a heart on here. So we need to know where the fold is. That's the middle of the heart. Can you set this in front of you so you know where the fold is? Put a dot about that far down by the fold. Put another dot at the bottom of the folded side. There's the fold. You're going to draw dot to dot. Let's draw our heart. Start by drawing up. You don't have to go to the very top, but go up as high as you can. Come to the side, and then come in. If you don't like your first, don't erase it. Instead, draw again. I draw until I get the heart shape I like. Now, here's the important part. Don't just cut it out. We need the outside, not the inside. Usually you make a heart and you want the inside heart part, but today we actually want the outside heart part. Let's choose a color now from our colored construction paper pack that we would like to use for the actual hearts for our art project. remember this? This is what we want. This would fit on the paper all 4 times. We don't need to fold this though. All you need to do is turn your paper going portrait. Then you are going to line up your heart tracer with the top and side so the corners match the corners. You're going to want to hold it down really, really well and trace it with a pencil. Okay, this is all you need to complete for today. This heart right here that you have, you can keep it or you can put it on something else, turn it into a Valentine for somebody, whatever you like to do. But this is what you want to have for our next step in this project. All right, I'll see you then.